What's going on, everybody? It's Lang Dutchman here, and today we're at Lelystad just because it was a beautiful day and visitors are allowed, so we're not drifting by ourselves, but I'm just gonna do a lap around the pit and just look at some awesome drifting today.
Yeah, and an awesome pit car.
And an awesome pit car, little truck. Everything you need right there. I always love a good livery. How cool is this? I mean, I know this car from a group chat, and I've seen a lot of pictures, but like in real life, it pops a lot harder. Very cool. And of course, we have a nice R33. Don't know if this will be out on track, but so much yes. This is something weird for us in Holland.
Yeah.
We don't get these.
I like cars with angles, but this...
Yeah, we like square cars, but this is not what we meant. Another beauty, S14. Lost its spoiler, but nonetheless. Crazy good looking car. So we're in the bearded car.
That's why I spun in front of you, because it was dry wet. Yeah. It was patchy and then it dripped and then I ran out of talent.
So we're now in the car with Wout Young, and he already trashed the car, as you can see. I'm already strapped in, so I can't show you all the damage in the rear, but I will do that after the session. It's a struggle for everyone, not just for me.
Oh man. actually started my YouTube channel just for Drift Week, because I had a channel for my company with just about products and technical stuff, and nothing for me as a driver. And in November 2020, we started the Drift Jesus channel, because Drift Week is so cool that it would be really bad if I didn't show it.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
basically also a memory book for myself to remember all the.
That's how I started YouTube.
Yeah,
like,
it's amazing.
it's a shame sometimes you don't have pictures from certain things, or just make videos and you have like context with everything. It's so cool.
Yeah.
This is gonna be one noisy ride.
Oh yeah. Good thing we don't have a rear end, because it's going to be nice and cool in the car now.
Yeah, more ventilation.
Oh man.
Well, never had a ride along in a compact.
Looks like a compact. I had so many BMWs in my life, but I only had one compact ever, and I had it for about 2 days, and then I sold it to Frank.
Why?
I don't know, I traded it in. I like that, but I don't like the dash that much.
It's more E30 like.
Yeah, well, it's not like
E30
dash,
inspired.
it's pretty nice, but it's like not E36 dash, not E30. I don't understand why they changed the dash. Everything else is fine. It's short to wheel. Chelsea has a red one, the red compact.
He swears by it.
Yeah, which they call TI, but you need to do a lot of work on the rear axle to make the tires sit straight.
Yeah.
So we had a compact once, Myron, my friend Myron's compact, and then when we went drifting on RDW track, he did like 3 times as much tires, because they are always on camber.
Yeah, so you only run the insides and you don't have optimal
need to
grip.
weld on the rear axle and stuff to make it sit flat. So that's another like a day of work, and with if you just get the sedan for $2,000,
Yeah.
you don't have that. So I never really bothered with that.
Simple set of camber arms and go.
Yeah, exactly. Or cut them.
Or cut, yeah.
Cut them too. Oh, it's about time to drive. Let's see if she still works.
like it's running
better.
Slow though. thank you for the ride along.
Oh yeah,
I will plug all your socials in the video
Thank
description.
you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Great to see you in real life.
Yeah, man.
It's very difficult when I wear the
Likewise.
helmet. I don't hear anything. So yeah. No,
Oh, that's the guy.
that's me. It's me. No, let me put on the little sponsor hat, and people usually go nowhere without my Wi-Fi hat. No, so thank you so much for coming along, and I can't wait to see the video.
Yeah, man. Will do.
Yeah, man. Cool.
So this is the car we were just driving, because
Ja, soms heb je ook.
you know, it's a little flattened. When I just walked on here, I saw Wout and I was like, I know him from Facebook, let's say hi. And then I saw the car, I was like, what the hell happened? And the whole rear was just shifted down onto the ground, so we used jacks to lift it up. And now it's a compact. All E36s are compacts eventually, right? But the sounds were amazing. Shout out to Wout. So we made it back home after a long day. I'm exhausted. The weather was great. I want to thank Wout Young for showing me his car and his ride along that I went with him. Also Mike from Wick the Cars. Also want to thank him for a ride along. Thomas did some ride alongs with the E30 with the V8, and I hope you enjoyed it. No drifting for us unfortunately, but we had a great time just ride alongs and meeting some people that I somewhat knew. I know them through like social media or like group chats, and now it's finally like you can put a face with the conversations that you previous had, so that was fun. I'll probably do this more often, maybe if there's a drift day, because now visitors are allowed again. That was the reason we never went as spectators. There was just one car, one driver, or one occupant in the car, like a co-driver, and that's it. So now it was finally we could all go, so we went and had a great time. So probably if there's an event and I'm not able to slide, I'll probably go there, because you meet new people, and just it was a great time after all. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Also check down the description. I'll leave the socials of the people that I've been with or that I know of. Put the links all in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Whether you like it